Hi Luminaires, it's Jamie Butler. I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia at the Center for Love and Light, and I have more classes coming up. I cannot wait. I am such a big believer in the higher education of energetic bodies and energetic systems, so I'm doing that by creating some $10 classes over on the platform at Learn It Live, link below, and I'm going to be doing an aromatherapy class. If you've always loved smells and essential oils but didn't really know what to do with them, come join class. I would love to see you there. I'm going to be giving basic recipes for babies, infants, kids, teens, adults, and elderly. I will educate you on the care of essential oils, what is contradictory, dilution ratios, and what you can do with them, like bath, in the shower. How do I infuse them into my room? These are all things that you can take home with you instantly after class and apply it. Because once you know all that, then it's endless, right? You can dose yourself with vibrations through essential oils to help yourself heal. Again, this is just another way of doing an energy recipe to help you increase your vibrations to live your best life. I really like this stuff. I hope to see you in class, guys, for the basics on aromatherapy, because throughout this series that I'm teaching over on Learn It Live in these $10 classes, you will gather what vibrations work for what ailment, what disease, and what you can use and how to help yourself be healthy. Right? That's all we want to be. Happy, healthy. Sounds great to me. I'll see you there, guys. Remember, it's not woo-woo. It's true. All of it. Believe in all of it. Bye, guys.